Hello and welcome to the video course Publishing Your Application with React Native by Pact. My name is Alvaro Medina. I have 6 years of experience in mobile development, first as an iOS dev in a startup accelerator, and nowadays as a mobile tech lead at apsl.net. We have embraced React Native since its first release, so my experience goes back from the initial version. I have contributed to both React Native and React Navigation, and also developed a few popular React Native components that you can find in our company GitHub. React has changed the way of building UIs. A React component, its basic unit, can be very simple, like this piece of Lego. But what happens if we combine those small pieces into bigger structures? There is no limit. We can build highly complex systems by combining small components. This revolution has finally come to the mobile world with React Native. Now we are able to easily build composable user interfaces that are backed with shared immutable state. Our UI becomes a function of the current state. React Native is an amazing technology that is intended to define and build user interfaces. I have shipped many React Native apps for both iOS and Android, faster than I ever imagined, without sacrificing performance and usability. React Native was born inside Facebook, and it is actually being used in Facebook, Instagram, Airbnb, Tesla, Skype, Wix, SoundCloud, and many others. In this course, you will be able to learn everything you need to know to design, build, and deliver a React Native app, from the basics to publishing into the app stores. This course is targeted to advanced and novice developers who want to build for iOS and Android, sharing the same codebase. You can be an Android expert with interests about Reactive, UI, React, or Redux, and this course will kickstart your knowledge about how to build an app with React Native. Also, if you're coming from web or hybrid mobile development, you will learn how to build kick-ass apps that generate native UIs. The most important prerequisite for this course is to have a macOS or a GNU Linux or Windows box. macOS is preferred because it's mandatory to have one to build for iOS. Also, some previous experience of ECMAScript 5, JavaScript, and HTML language is preferred, but not mandatory. In order to correctly understand some of the parts in this course, it is good if you have some experience in mobile user interfaces. If you are a mobile power user, you're good to go. In the first section, we'll see how to add immutable state management to our app using Redux. In section 2, we'll learn how to make API calls and attach the response to our state. In the third section, we'll dig deep into mobile user interfaces and how to build great mobile experiences. In the fourth section, we'll see which animation options we have in React Native, and we'll add one animation of each type into our demo app. In the final section, we'll do a step-by-step tutorial about how we can publish our app into Apple App Store and Google Play Store. We will also see how to send test versions of our app. By the end of the course, you will have learned how to build a simple app in React Native, from fetching data from an API to reacting the user interaction with animations. You will also learn some modern JavaScript, basic React, React Native, and Redux, and even understanding how mobile user interfaces are born and how to improve the UX of your apps. The introduction is over, so it's time to start building something and learn React Native along the way. Let's start with the first section of the course.